Welcome to the online session of Power Plant Engineering. My name is Acharya. Today we will discuss about the base load and peak load of power plant and cost of power plant, and last topic of this lecture is performance and operating characteristic of power plant. First, base load and peak load power plant. Base load and peak load defined by the capacity factor. If capacity factor is greater than the 70% is called the base load power plant, and capacity factor is less than 70% is called the peak load power plant. Base load power plant operating condition in a year more than 5,000 hours, and the peak load only less than 2,000 hours. First, practically explain what is the base load and what is the peak. Base load is the minimum level of electricity demand required over a period of 24 hours. It is needed to provide power to the component that keep running all the time. Also referred as a continuous load. Peak load is a time of the high demand. These peaking demand are often for only short duration. In mathematical terms, peak demand could be understood as the difference between the base demand and the highest demand. Now going back to the example of the house load, here use the micro oven, toaster, television are example of the peak demand, whereas a refrigerator and HVAC system are example of the base demand. Our broader perspective of the understanding this type, now on the broader perspective, it could be assumed that the electrical grid is a big household. Under the normal circumstances, the power required by the electrical grid is fairly constant during the various periods of the day. This constant power which is required at all time is called the base loading. But during the special event like the final match of World Cup, the demand will be more, as a lot of the people will watch the TV. This short high demand period is considered to be the peak loading. Power plant are also categorized based on the base load and the peak load power plant. The base load power plant means the plant are running continuously over the extended period of time are said to be the base load power plant. The power plant from this use the cater the base demand of the grid. A power plant may be run as a base load power plant due to the various factor, long starting time requirement, fuel requirement, etc. Example of the base power plant is a nuclear power plant, coal power plant, and hydroelectrical power plant. Next is the peak load power plant. To cater the demand peak and peak load power plant use, they are startup of where there is a spike in a demand and stop when the demand is reduced. The example of the base load power plant are gas plant, solar power plant, diesel, wind is called the peak load power plant. Second topic is the cost of power plant. Fixed in a cost of power plant, fixed cost in the fixed cost, land and building and equipment cost. Second is the interest. Third is the depreciation cost. Fourth is the insurance cost, management cost, and in a running cost, fuel cost, and oil and grease water cost. Upon the when the newer power plant is to be set up or existing plant is to be replaced or plan to be extended, the cost analysis includes the first is the fixed cost and second is the operating cost. It includes the initial cost of the plant, rate of interest, depreciation costs and insurance, and include the operating cost, fuel cost, operating labor cost, maintenance, suppliers, supervision, and operating taxes. In the fixed cost, initial cost of the power station include the land cost, building cost, equipment, installation cost, overhead charges, which will be include the transportation cost, store and storekeeping charges, interest during the construction, etc. To reduce the cost of the building, it is desirable to eliminate the superstructure over the boiler house. and as far as possible turbine house also. Adopting the unit system where one boiler is used for the one turbo generator can reduce the cost of the equipment. Also by simplifying the piping system and element of the duplicate system such as a steam header and boiler feed header. Eliminating the duplicate or stand auxiliary can further reduce the cost. When the power plant is not suitable in the proximity to the load served, the cost of primary distribution system will be a part of the initial investment. The rate of interest is the main factor for the any business. Here, all the enterprise needs the investment of the money, and this money may be obtained as a loan through the bond and share or from the owner of the personal fund. Interest is the difference between the money owed and money returned. It may be charged at a simple rate expressed percentage per annum or may be compound. In this case, the interest is reinvested and add to the principal, thereby the earning the more interest the subsequent year. Even if the owner invest his own capital, the charge of the interest necessary to cover income that would be have a derived from it through the alternative investment or fixed deposit with the bank. Uh, in the periodic repayment of the principal as a uniform annual expenses. Depreciation is also most important part. Depreciation account for the deterioration of the equipment and decrease in the value due to the corrosion, weathering, and wear and tear with the use. It also covers the decrease in value of the equipment due to the obstacles. With the rapid improvement in design, construction plants, obstacle factor is the enormous importance. Availability of the better model, which lesser overall cost of the generation, make it the imperative to the replace the old equipment earlier than useful life is spent. The actual lifespan of the plant has therefore to be taken as a shorter that we what would be the normally expected out of it. The depreciation cost can be calculated by the straight line method, percentage method, sinking method, or also unit method. Next, to the operating cost. The element that make the operating cost expenditure of power plant include the cost of the fuel, labor cost of the maintenance, and cost of the store, then fuels, supervisions, and taxes. First is the cost of the fuel. In a thermal power station, fuel is the heaviest item of the operating. The selection of the fuel and the maximum economy is used for the therefore the very important consideration in thermal power plant design. It is desirable to achieve the highest thermal efficiency for plant so that fuel charges are reduced. The cost of the fuel include not only to the price at the site of the purchase, but it is the transportation and handling also. In the hydro plant or absent of the fuel factor, the cost is the responsible for the lowering the operating. But here, plant heat rate can be improved by the use of the battery quality of the fuel and high grade of the coal by employing the better thermodynamic condition in the plant design. The cost of fuel vary with respect to unit price of the fuel among of the energy produced efficient of the plant. Next factor is the labor cost. For the plant operation, labor cost is another item of the operating cost. Maximum labor is needed in the thermal power plant using coal as a fuel. A hydraulic power plant or diesel power plant of equal capacity require lesser number of persons. In case of the automatic power station, the cost of the labor is reduced greater. But however, labor cost cannot be completely eliminated even with fully automatic station, as they will still require some manpower for periodic inspection and extra some other work. Cost of the maintenance and the repairs is the main part for the power plant. In order to avoid the plant breakdown, maintenance is necessary. Maintenance include the periodic cleaning, greasing, adjustment, overhauling of equipment. The material used for the maintenance is also charged under this head. Some item and arbitrary percentage is assumed as a maintenance cost. A good plan of the maintenance would keep the dependable condition and avoid the necessity of too many standby plants. Repair are the necessary. When the plant breaks down or stops due to the fault of the developing in the mechanism, the repair may be minor, major or periodic and are charged to be the depreciation fund of the equipment. This item of the cost is higher than thermal power plant for hydropower plant due to the complex nature of the principal equipment and auxiliary in the former. Next is the cost of the store. The item of the consumable store other than fuel included the lubricating oil, greases, cotton waste, small tools, chemicals, paints, such other things. The incidence of this cost is also higher than in thermal power station than any other power plants. In the supervision, in the head of the salary of the supervising staff is included. A good supervision is reflected in the laser breakdown, extended plant life. Supervision staff include the station superintendent, chief engineers, chemists, engineers, supervisors, stores in the charges, purchaser officers, other establishment. Again, here manpower is larger, so that the supervision cost also larger. Some taxes under operating head includes like income tax, sales tax and social security and employees. These costs are included for power generation. Thank you.